Stop. Before you say another word in English, I want to listen the voice inside your head. It is speaking your native language and then trying to flip a switch to English.
If it is you are working twice as hard and speaking half as fast, you are not a translator, you are a speaker.
Welcome to Learn English Together. I am Nikki.
And I am Ash. Today we are going to show you how to kill that translator in your head and start thinking in English.
Imagine waking up and the first thought in your brain, it's a beautiful day. Inside of sentence is your own language. That is when truly become fluent.
We have the steps, the daily plan, and more than 500 words of pure advice coming your way. Let's get your brain into English mode right now. Part 1, The Trap of Translation.
Ash, why do so many students feel tired after speaking English for just 10 minutes?
Because their brain is running a marathon. They hear an English word, translate it to their language, think of an answer, and then translate it back to English. It's exhausting.
And the problem is that language don't match perfectly. If you translate how are you doing word for word into some languages, it sounds like how are you making? It makes no sense.
Yes, when you think in English, you use chunks or patterns of sounds that native speakers use. You don't think about rules, you think about meaning. Part 2, your 5-step brain training.
Okay, Ash, let's give our listeners at Learn English Together a real workout. Step 1 is the labeling game.
Yes, this is so simple. Look around your room. Don't say the words in your language. Point and think window, door, table, cold water, dirty shoes. Do this every time you enter a new room.
Perfect. Step 2, talk to yourself out loud. I do this all time. When I am cooking, I say, okay, now I am cutting the onions. I need a sharper knife. This smells great.
It sounds crazy, but it works. It bridges the gap between your thought and your mouth.
Step 3, the English only dictionary. Ash, this changed my life.
Me too. If you look up a word and see your native language, your brain stays in your home zone. But if you see in the English definition, you stay in the English zone. You learn 3 new words just by looking up one.
Step 4, guess the feeling. When you see a person on the street, try to guess their story in English. Think, he looks tired. Maybe he had a long day at work.
Yes, exactly.
He is carrying a heavy bag.
Yes. And finally, step 5, change your digital world. Change your phone language to English. Your brain sees settings, messages, and battery hundred of times a day. Make those words in English. Part 3, Building the daily habit. It's a 30-minute challenge.
People ask us, Nikki, Ash, how long does it take?
It takes 30 minutes of deep English every day. Pick a time, maybe during your commute or while washing dishes. Tell yourself for the next 30 minutes, my native language does not exist.
If you don't know a word, don't look it up in your language. Describe it. If you forget the word for umbrella, think the thing that keeps me dry when it's rain. This is a superpower in real conversation.
Yes, exactly. Also, try to think in simple sentences. Don't try to be a philosopher. Start with I am hungry. I want pizza. Pizza is good. Slowly, your brain will build bigger blocks. Part 4, more essential question and answers for your brain.
Let's add some more fuel to your English fire. We are going to do a quick question answer. Ash, I will ask you, you answer in way that helps them think.
What do you do if you feel stuck? Take a breath and use a simple word. Never go back to your native language.
Is it is okay to make grammar mistake in my head?
Yes, your goal is flow, not perfection. Native speakers make mistakes in their heads too.
How do I remember new words?
Connect them to a memory. Don't just learn apple. Think of the last time you ate a sweet red apple.
What should I listen to?
Content that is 80% easy for you. If it's too hard, your brain will switch back to your native language to survive. Part 5, the motivation to keep going. Listen, we know it's a hard. Sometimes your brain feels like it's going to explode, but that's the feelings of your brain growing.
You are literally building a new path in your head. Every time you choose an English thought over the translate one, you are winning the war.
Don't wait for a teacher to tell you are good. Tell yourself every morning, I am an English speaker. I think in English. I live in English.
We have covered so much today, from labeling your room to describe your life like a movie. You have all the tools.
But tools are useless if you don't think, pick them up. Your challenge for today is to spend the next 10 minutes right after this podcast ends thinking only in English.
Describe the room you are in. Describe how you feel. Describe what you are going to do next.
Thank you for joining us on Learn English Together. We are so proud of your progress. If this helped you, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson with us.
Remember, you don't need a perfect accent. You just need a focused mind.
Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep thinking in English.
I am Nikki.
And I am Ash.
We
We will
will
see
see
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next
one.
one.
Happy
Happy
learning.
learning.